Hey everyone, this is Steve from OpenBOM, and I'd like to introduce you to a new feature in the July 2019 release, rolling up multiple properties in a single BOM to a top level in a single BOM. Up to this point, we've supported rolling up a single property, but now, for example, let's say I want to roll up total cost as well as total mass in a single BOM. We can do that now, and let me show you how. I'm starting with a catalog. This is going to be like any other catalog of parts. This happens to be for a scissor lift. And I've defined cost and mass, part number, and included the other things that typically go well in a catalog, images and other bits and pieces that I'm going to need in my BOM. I've done that for all the parts. Next, I created a new bill of material. I have this catalog assigned to it. By the way, I use the new create BOM function, which automatically lets me assign a catalog. Anyway, and I built this bill of material by using the add item and just picking these parts from the list. So next, I've defined I used the add property command, and I added both total cost and total mass to my bill of material. Next, I defined total cost to be equal to quantity times cost, and I said I want to roll this up from lower levels, and I indicated that quantity was my roll-up property. And in almost all cases, quantity is going to be your selection right here. I saved it. Let me do the same thing now for mass. I'm going to say, edit the formula for mass. I'm going to say that total mass is going to be equal to mass times quantity. And I'm also going to roll this up from any lower levels, and I'm going to choose quantity, my roll-up property. Okay. So I've done all this in single level. I then moved to multi-level, did a little reorganization. I used the multi-level organization tools to move some of these items underneath the cylinder assembly. And then I returned to the top level, single level, and I turned on totals. And I see that I've got a total of $230 and about 16 pounds. Okay, so this is where the real improvement starts. This is for let's say one single cylinder. Let's say, for example, that I happen to need 6 of these platforms in my new design. So we'll see that we change the quantity to 6, and our cost is going to go to 490, and our mass is going to go to 20 pounds. So we can watch how making changes to the quantity will affect both of those properties that are rolled up from below. So that's new for this release. Again, we kind of summarize here. We created a catalog with both cost and mass. We created a BOM, bringing in those values, cost and mass, from the catalog. We defined total cost and total mass. We edited a formula for both of those. In this case, cost times quantity. Similar for mass. And in both cases, we said enable this roll up from below, and we always choose quantity here. And then finally, all I needed to do was turn on my display totals, and I'll see the totals for both of those. And as any of my quantities change, either here in my BOM, or if any of my pricing should happen to change here in my catalog, we'll see that the total values here will update my bill of material. So that's new for July 2019. We'd appreciate your feedback, support at openbom.com. Thank you.